Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change the view time in Snapchat. Adjusting the view time lets your friends see your snap for as long as or as short as you want. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. From the main camera screen, take a photo or record a video by tapping on capture button. And this is it. Once you have taken your snap, look at the right side of the screen. There you can see a series of icons. Tap on timer icon, which looks like a stopwatch. A menu will appear with different time options. You can set the view time anywhere from 1 second to 50 seconds. If you want this snap to be viewable indefinitely until the recipient closes it, select the infinity option. It's over here. I'm keeping it 10 seconds. After selecting the view time, tap on back button. The timer icon will update to reflect your new view time. Now send the snap as you normally would by tapping the blue arrow or selecting the friends or group you want to send to. You can even add this snap to your story. The view time setting you will choose will apply to anyone viewing your story. And that's it, you have successfully changed the view time for snaps in Snapchat. Adjusting this setting is a great way to control how long your friends can see your snap. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next video.